We now know the names of two people found dead after a house fire in Roswell. Chavez County Sheriff's deputies say 39-year-old Raymond Smith and 34-year-old Sonny Smith are the victims. The blaze started at around 10 last Wednesday morning. Investigators say the Smiths were staying with a friend at the house. The friend even reportedly crawled back into the home and tried to pull Raymond or the other people out, but they also suffered some burns as well. The cause of the blaze is still under investigation.